Come along, my friend, come along, get aboard and ride. There's nothing on this train, y'all. Everything. Yes, come along. Come on, my friend. Get aboard and ride this train. There is nothing on this train, y'all. Everything. Oh, come on, y'all. Come on, children. Get aboard and ride this train. There is nothing on this train. Everything. You know the gospel train sure enough is coming, y'all. I know it's coming just around the bend. Jesus said, one day I'm a-coming back. Well, but you know that he didn't say when. Oh, we ought to get our houses in order. I know the Lord is coming back again. One thing I know now, nothing on the train, nothing on everything, everything. Oh, come on, y'all. Oh, get aboard and ride. There is nothing on this train. Everything. One more thing, y'all. I tell you that the gospel train is standing at the station waiting for somebody to get on board. And you had better hurry, hurry and get your ticket before the conductor close the door. Yeah, you better get your ticket in time now. Yeah, so that you don't be left behind. One thing I know now, nothing on the train, everything. Oh, yeah, come on, my friend. Get aboard and ride this train. There's nothing on this train. Everything again. One more time, y'all. I told you that gospel train is running, y'all. Coming just around the bend. Jesus said, one day I'm coming back. But you know he didn't tell us when. He said you better get your houses in order. Oh, one day I'm coming soon. One thing I know now, there's nothing on this train. Everything, everything, yeah, come on. Somebody ought to come on today. Yeah, get aboard and ride this train. There's nothing on the train, nothing on the train. Everything, 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 yeah, come on, preacher. Oh yeah, yeah, get aboard and ride. There's nothing on the train. Yeah, everything.